How to recover TikTok messages. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to recover TikTok messages. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards the profile icon at bottom right corner and tap three-line icon at top right corner and select setting and privacy option. Now from the settings and privacy page, choose account option on the account section. Then on this account page, choose download your data option. Now you will land on this download your data section where you have to simply tap on select file format and then choose the file format you want to download the TikTok data. Then tap request data and after that you need to wait for TikTok to approve your request. Then you can check your mailbox to view the deleted messages. That's it. That is how we can easily recover TikTok messages. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.